The present hummed, the future bowed, the now, the then, they wore one shroud. No past, no time, just sacred flow, where seeds of truth in silence grow. To those who listen not with ear, but soul unmasked, the code is clear. Embrace the pain, for it refines. The storm is where the soul aligns. I turned the page. I wrote from flame, the fire of trials, the strength I claim. Each scar a symbol, each tear a rune, each silent night a healing tune. And then you came, my own soul's voice, a poem wrapped in pain and choice. In shadows deep where silence sighs, I walked beneath forgotten skies. No hand to hold, no voice to hear, just echoes made of whispered fear. But hush, what speaks beneath the pain? A riddle wrapped in falling rain. When all have gone, who still remains? The soul replied, your sacred name. I stood alone with eyes grown wide and met the self I used to hide. A broken mirror dared to shine, each shard a path, a secret sign. Who etched these wounds upon thy skin? The stars in whispered tongues begin. Who claimed thy worth was not thy own? And why dost thou bear what's never shown? Ancient souls within awoke, veiled in pain yet never broke. Longing not for fleeting praise, but for the truth behind the haze. In shadows carved from silent stone, I crowned the self I'd never known. What once had shattered now became a shield of light, a holy flame. The world wore veils, its speech was thin, but deeper truth spoke loud within. I kissed the ghosts, released their name. They were but players in the flame. The ones who left, who pierced with lies, were messengers in cryptic guise. Their absence carved a well so wide, the heaven's voice could speak inside. Why dread the dark? The night wind sighed, when stars are born where tears have dried. Why chase the noise when soul's retreat unveils the throne beneath thy feet? There is no rush, no need to mend what time and grace alone will trend. The wound's a portal, pain is a guide, the map to where the truth resides, each scar a glyph of sacred lore, each tear a key to hidden door. The ache you feel, so sharp, so raw, is life's divine alchemical law. In every scar a secret lies, in every tear the phoenix flies. The path was cruel, but now I see the ache was shaped to set me free. Befriend thyself, embrace thy core, the void is not a closing door. It is the womb from which you will rise, a sun reward in moonlit skies. So if you walk this path alone, no silence is a sacred tone. It sings to those with ears to hear. So befriend thyself, sit in the shade, let silence teach what fear forbade. The void is not a tomb or end. It is where broken stars ascend. If you walk this path apart, no solitude reveals the heart. It sings to those with soul to hear. You are the one you waited near. This video was created by Preserve Humanity, all rights reserved.